Mama said knock you out. Hi guys, this is Miss Anderson with another Knock 'em Out video, and today we are going to learn how to research a career. Ready? Let's go. Okay, so first let me say that all careers are a part of a career industry. What that simply means is that this career industry, for example, physics right here, has each of these branches of careers underneath it, sort of like an umbrella. Okay? So, if you do not have a particular career in mind, then you would start by researching a career industry. And then it will give you a list of all the careers within that industry. So let's take a look at the career industry of physics. As you can see, under construction, there are electricians, plumbers, and civil engineers. As well as if you go up here to engineering, you see aerospace, electrical engineers, and then telecommunications technicians. And then if you slide over here to earth science, you see meteorologists and geophysicists. And then one more, go down here at entertainment and you see TV camera operators and lighting technicians. So all of these different careers all fall within the umbrella of the career industry of physics. Okay? So if you do not have a career already in mind and you just want to search, you just want to do, you just want to see what's out there, then start by researching a career industry. Okay? Okay, so here is another example of a career industry, and this industry is in the area of drama. Okay, and so just under drama, I want to show you some of these different types of careers. So if you look at art, you see here a theater manager and a stagehand. Those are two different careers under the arts, which is in the career industry of drama. So let's look at performance here, okay? We all know that actors is one of the biggest fields in the drama industry. So we all know what an actor is. Let's look at the production, okay? So we have the lighting technician and we have the stage manager. All of those careers help make the production of that dramatic arts happen. Let's go over here to communication, and you see radio announcers and recruiters and then market researchers, all very interesting and awesome careers. Okay, and then education, yay education, you see a elementary teacher, a drama teacher, or a performing arts instructor. So this is another career industry, which is drama, that I just wanted to give you a little information on, okay? Okay, so let's take a look at one more career industry, and then I will show you where to go online to look at some additional career industries. So here we have the career industry of information technology. And as you can see, for example, under hardware, we have engineers, electrical and mechanical. Under gaming, we have animators and technicians. Under software, we have the software engineer and the app developer. And then under end user support, we have the help desk technician and the IT technician. So these are just a few of all of the possibilities that are under the career industry of information technology. So you really have a lot of choices in which to research. So these were examples of career industries. So now let's go ahead and dig down a little further and just choose a career and do our research there, okay? Okay, so your next step in researching a career is to go online to Google And if you don't have a website in mind, you can use this one. I found it pretty good. It's called onetonline.org, and the web address will be at the end of this video. But if you prefer, you can certainly Google your career industry or your particular career, and you can definitely find a lot of resources out there. But we're going to go ahead and take a look at ONET Online. And so here I have a screen pulled up where I did a Google search. And so underneath this box here is career industries. Right here where it says go, there's a search box there that asks you to select your career industry. So I took a snapshot because I wanted to show you all of the potential career industries that they have in this website. So if you can see at the top, we have agriculture, then we have architecture, then we have the arts, business management, education, finance, government, health science, hospitality, human services, IT, law, manufacturing, marketing, science, technology, engineering, and math. Remember that, STEM. Then we have transportation, and they even have one that has all career clusters. So this website calls the industries clusters. So just recognize when they're just using different terms for the same thing, okay? So a cluster is just a group of careers in that same area. So that is what this video is calling an industry. But as you can see, all of these career industries are available for you to do some more research, to take a look and investigate. So we're going to select information technology. And so if you look down here at the bottom, it gives you a list of the potential careers within IT. So let's take a look at some of them. So you see a computer network architect. You also see a computer operator, and then you see a computer science teacher. And then if you go up at the top, you see a business intelligence analyst, and then a computer and information system manager. And if you scroll down, there are also more careers as you scroll down. So all of those are potential careers within the umbrella of information technology. So after you have chosen your career, the next thing that you want to do is you want to look for the important information, okay? And let's talk about some of the information that you want to pull from your research. So right here, as you can see, the career that I chose for us to look at is a video game designer. Okay, and so this page right here is just a summary of that career. So highlighted here, you have the job description, and then next you have the potential job titles. Because one thing you want to understand is that a particular career may have varying job titles, but they all are doing the same thing, it's just titled a bit differently. Okay, so this is the job description up top, and you want to make sure that your research that you always look for and pull out the job description, okay? Now, if you go down here, you'll see that it has a summary and then it has details. That just simply means the summary is going to summarize and give you the short, just the main facts, and then the details will give you, like it says, all of the details, okay? And so if you look here, what I would like for you to do, and I'm going to show you on the other screen, is all of these bullets right here, I want you to extract all of the information there. And I'll show it to you on the next screen so that if you're not using this particular website, then you know what to look for. Okay, so the next thing that you want to do within that website is you want to evaluate and extract the key information. So what you want to do is you want to look for the job description, then you want to look for the task that is within that job description. You want to look for the tools in order to do that job. You want to know what knowledge it takes to do that job. Then what are the work activities in performing that job? What skills you need? Skills and knowledge are two different things. So what skills will you need to do that job? And then also, what abilities will you need? And then, of course, how much would that particular career pay? So, the best way to notate the information that you extract in your research is to place it on Cornell Notes. As you know, Cornell Notes are a proven strategy for taking notes that will help you stay organized and help you not leave out any information and will only give you the pertinent or important information that you need. So, in this particular case, as we are researching careers, you want to keep in mind this list to the left. All of these bullet points you need to include in your notes, okay? In addition to what is not listed here, and that's the job description. Please make sure you list the job description. But using Cornell Notes will help you be organized, and so your information, once you go to write it up and present it, it will be nice and organized for your reader, okay? So after you have gathered your research and you have your notes and you have all of the information that you are going to need, the next thing you're going to do is start writing it up, okay? So now you're going to start following the writing process. You're going to go through all 5 steps in order to write up your article or essay. So the first step is you're going to pre-write your ideas, and you've done some of that by the research and the notes that you've done. Then you're going to start writing your first draft, and then of course you'll revise it to make sure it's nice and clear and understandable. Then you're going to go back and edit it, and then finally you will publish it. So please, please, if you have any questions or you need additional assistance with how to write your article up, then check out the How to Write an Informative Essay video in the Knock 'em Out series. And don't forget that in everything that you do, if you go out and you utilize work that is not your own, which is from the internet or any other resource, then you must include a reference page. You must cite your sources, okay? Cite just simply means to tell, and what you're doing is telling your reader or your audience where you retrieved your information. So this is just a one-pager with examples of different types of sources and the manner in which you cite those sources. So if you would like additional information on how to cite your sources, check out the video in the Knock 'em Out series titled How to Cite Your Sources. So remember that you must include a reference page and you must add all of the references of where you received your information in your research. Okay, guys, thank you very much for hanging in there with me and watching this video. I hope that you found it informative, and if you have any question, please let me know and I will be glad to clarify or answer any of your questions. So good luck in your research and in all that you do. Thank you.